Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Excellent Monies. As you are aware that in Excel, the sum formula everybody use, but sometime if we want to save our time, we have to use advanced formula. Is look like similar to the sum formula, but it is more advanced version of sum formula. We called it sum product. So I will show you one sheet. First we use the sum formula, and then I will let you know how to use the sum product formula, that is the advanced version, and it's the time saving formula and is the more elaborative formula for the addition, subtraction and division and multiplication. So let's go to our sheet. Let's go to our sheet. You can see here. Now in this sheet that I will use the formula normal sum. Here in my sheet is given continent, product, quantity sold, price per piece and total sales. If I say I want to sum up of all these things, what the normal people do? First, let me start with normal is equal to sum formula is equal bracket open and select quantity sold, multiply price and close the bracket and enter. You can see the total sales came for the Europe continent fish product. Now you can do the drag down and you will get the complete total sales. And now is the grand total is 91,000. Let me make it yellow. $91,933, but it is time consuming process. The now we are going to use the advanced formula. So in one formula, in one row, you can get the complete total of the total sales. Now total sales I am putting here is equal to sum product. Sum product, open the bracket, quantity sold, okay, put the comma. Now array to price per piece either per quantity, and you can do the close the bracket and enter. Now you can see this 91,933 is the total sales value. You now it prove if you use the sum product formula in one row, in one calculation you get the sum of total sales at once. Now let me go for the advanced level of this one. This is the one way we have to do. Now this I make little bit elaborative, and this formula will go the higher level. This date is given, continent is given, product is given, and quantity sold is given, price and amount because that is amount is given. I already do the sum formula here. Now total sales, let me do total formula is equal to sum product, open the bracket and you can do and till here and close the bracket. Now enter is 91,933. But if somebody asks, please give me sales value as continent wise, if you can do in two ways. One, you can put the filter and then you have to do calculate one by one, but that take time. Now I will teach you how to use the continent wise, the item wise sales value and sales quantity. First let's go for continent wise. Now we can start the formula is equal to sum product, because first we want the sales for Europe. sum product, open the bracket and again bracket. Now we can use the sales amount, complete selection of sales amount, bracket close, multiply, open the bracket, one more bracket. Now select the continent. Now what we want again, we put is equal to open quote, double quote, write EUROPE, Europe, open and close. You can see the formula, sum product, open bracket, this one, open bracket, the continent and what continent we want. Sorry, here we have to put the quote close. So we get Europe sales 12,696. I will show you cross checking with the filter basis. Now we go for the America sales. Same formula. Let me put it again. Either let's do the copy here. Copy, paste. But here, because it searched for Europe, now we are going for America. AMERICA, America. And now enter. Same formula, only we are taking America. This is $25,686. Third one, we go for the Middle East. We have to select all the cells. Now we have to put Middle East and enter. You can get $18,808. Now Asia. Here we change instead of middle because we want Asia. Enter. Now we need for Africa. Africa. You get 11,630,000. Now last Australia. Australia. Now we have to put instead of Africa, we have to AUSTRALIA. Okay, enter. Now you get continent wise sales value. Continent wise sales value. Continent wise sales value. And I'm making the sum up so you understand well. Sum here is whether my figure is correct or wrong, either wrong. You get same 91 here, this and that. You can see is both are match. Okay, now go for the second category of species sold, which means the product what we have sold sales wise. Now we want to know what is the total value of the sales of fish, chicken, pork, meat and milk. Now we use the same formula what we use, just copy and paste. But here you no need to, here we have to change the formula because last time we take the We take the continent. You can see on the screen what I'm doing. Just copy, sorry, copy the product here and put fish. You can get, we sold the fish, the value 3368. Now go for the chicken. I am changing, instead of fish, just you type chicken, chicken. You can get the value 19,544. Now I'm displaying how to get the specific amount of specific item. You cannot do this thing in by using the sum formula, but with the sum product formula you can get easy. Now let's move for the third product, pork. I'm copying same formula. I repeat, formula is sum product, open bracket, open bracket, the figures what we have to take in the amount, and bracket close, multiply, open bracket and open bracket, and select the item which you want to take for the for the sales value. Now we are taking the product, so we are take the product, and now is equal to what we want actually. Now we want pork instead of chicken, so I'm changing pork. You get $12,691 meat. You get 38,970, and the last is the milk. Here, let me make it broad. You get here, we want to specific value, like here the fish is species wise sales value. Here we sold total fish 33,368, chicken 19,544, pork 12,691, meat 38,970, and 17 milk 17,360. Now let me prove how it correct or not correct. Put the sum formula, open bracket here. Just want to show you whether my figure is correct or wrong. You get 91,333. That is our real figure. That is our real figure of the sales. Last is little bit change. Here we want to take the quantity. How many quantity of species sold in quantity? Use same formula, but let me show you here. I'm going to copy to save the time. Copy here and paste, but here supposed to be changed. I'm showing what we are going to change. Here instead of this one, we are taking quantity. Here now what we want to take first, fish. Okay, here we change, because whatever we want we have to write here fish. You get the is quantity is not, so we have to remove the number one. So 16,000 1,684 quantity we sold the fish. Now go for the another one for the chicken. Sorry, let me change the format, so easy for us. Just do the copy and paste. Now you have to see Now second is chicken, chicken. Okay, enter 2443 number of the pieces we sold. Now come for the pork. Pork. If we spell correct, it will become correct. Otherwise, it will go wrong. Now we have to meat. Now meat. MEAT. You get the figure 2598. And the last is the milk. How many liters you sold? First you have to check whether the you have to take this time product and quantity sold. If you get the correct one, now we have to write milk because this will find only milk. Now 1736. After that, let me cross check whether I calculated correct or wrong. Here 10,274. Let me cross check here. This is the quantity sold. Now we have to use one formula. Here is equal to sum. Select and close the bracket. You can see 10,000. Now here this figure and that figure is my correct. 10,274 and 10,000 here 274 items we sold. With this we can prove it that if we use this formula we can get different category wise sum and sum either in amount, either in pieces, either in a even we can even continent also, even product wise, quantity wise, date wise also. So I hope my friends you understand well. If you have any query, please write me in the comments. I will reply you surely. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and comment.